So Eloise is asking, in order to build a good branding in social media, what would I think if we shall use Facebook business page or Facebook public figure page that is oriented with personal branding? Very good question. I can actually share from my personal experience, my personal experience, because like up to last year, 2020, I actually started my training company, the Tribe Academy, since 2016. In 2016, I started. I created a Facebook page. 2016 until 2019, I was largely advertising and positioning the whole company using Tribe Academy Facebook page. Now, Tribe Academy Facebook page, it was doing okay for me. We were actually growing and whatnot. But nonetheless, it has its pros and cons. But the moment I started building my own brand last year, I kind of open up different kind of possibilities. And a few things that I realized is people tend to, first thing first, instead of a company, when they see a person, it's a lot easier for people to kind of like, oh, okay, to build a kind of connection. And when you come out as a person, it's a lot easier for you to build your brand around it. Like, for example, when I started advertising as Jason Gunn, I can actually build a lot more visibilities around the brand. Like I can go live, it's me. I can do all this. But nonetheless, if you take a step back and look at it, like if I go live under Tribe Academy as Jason Gunn, in a way, you can also build the correlation of both. But I would say it's a lot easier for people to build that kind of personal connection when you come out as a person. So that's what I did. Since last year, I was heavily positioned myself instead of my company, it is still the company. Like just now I was saying that if you want to go and sign up for my courses, you have to go to tribeacademy.com. I didn't say jasongunn.net or something like that, but it's very natural. But people tend to get emotionally connected to a human more than a brand.